Hello children, good morning to all. Welcome to online maths class, first standard. Today's topic patterns AB, ABC. Okay, today's topic patterns AB and ABC. Okay children, are you happy today? Are you happy today? Yes, okay. Did you have a breakfast? Did you have a breakfast children? Yes, I have a breakfast. Okay, what is today? What is today? Today is Tuesday. Okay, children, what is today? Today is Tuesday. What is today? Today is Tuesday. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes. Are you ready now? Students, are you ready now? Yes. Okay. Time starts now. Okay, children. Did you finish homework? Do you have finished homework? Children, did you finish your homework, children? Yes? Very good. Okay, children. Today's topic patterns. Okay, today's topic patterns. AB, ABC. Okay, AB, ABC. Are you understood? Now, did you see the last class? Did you see the last class, children? Patterns. This is same topics. Patterns AB and ABC and then AA, BB. Okay? AA and BB. Okay, children, are you understood? Are you understood? Okay. Now, check the homework first. Okay? Let's go to the homework. Children, please check. Please check. Students, please check the yesterday homework. Okay, children? Students, take one worksheet. Worksheet number 30. Worksheet number 30, page number 122. 122. Okay, children? Check fast. Check fast, children. Worksheet number 30. The last class homework. Patterns AB. Patterns AB. Draw what comes next. Draw what comes next. Do you like a pattern, children? Do you like? Yes, very good. Draw what comes next. Okay. A part. What is the first one? AB. AB, A. What comes next? What comes next, children? You have drawn? Yes, very good. Diamond shape. Super. Very good. Excellent answer. Diamond shape. Diamond shape. Very good. In B part, children, tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. AB, AB, AB. What comes last? What the end of part? Yes. A means. Okay. Right. A part. Pattern. Okay. A pattern. Okay, children. See A. C part. Smiley star. Smiley star. What comes next pattern? What comes next pattern, children? Yeah, super. Smiley face. Okay, smiley face you have drawn. Finished? Okay. See in B part. Do you like apple? Do you like apple or banana? Yes, I like apple. Okay, children. A. Apple. A, banana B, up to banana B, A, B, A, B, A, B. What comes next? What comes next? Yes, apple. Very good. Apple. Okay, children. See in E part. Star. Sorry, sun. Sky. A, B, A, B. Sun. Sky. What comes next one? Yes, Very good. Star. Sorry. Sun. Okay. Sun. Now to draw sun. Are you understood? You finish your homework. You finish your homework, children? Please check. Okay. Now let's go to the next slide. Now let's go to the next slide. Children, please check the answers. Okay, children. Now look at the board. Okay, look at the board. Children, star, circle, star, circle, star, circle, star, circle, star, circle, star, circle. Next, what comes? Next, what comes? Star is taken A. Okay, star is taken A. This is the AB pattern. AB pattern. B. Circle is taken B. Okay, B pattern. Again, star is taken A. Circle is taken B. Again, students tell me. Yes, star is taken A. Good. A. Circle is taken B. This is the AB part. AB bar. Are you understood? Are you understood, children? This is the AB pattern. AB pattern. Okay, children. What comes next pattern? What comes next pattern? Yes, very good. Star. Star. Okay. What comes next pattern? Star. Star is taken. What? Yes. A. Very good. Super. Okay. Star is taken A. Circle is taken B. Again and again. Star is taken A. Circle is taken B. This is the AB pattern. AB pattern. Against. Okay. Against. Sorry. Against. Come to. Again and again. AB pattern. Okay. Are you understood? Are you understood, children? Okay. Now let's go to the next slide. Children, take your worksheet. Take your worksheet, children. Page number 123. 123 students. Take it fast. Worksheet number 123. Worksheet number 31. Page number 123. Worksheet number 31. Patterns AB. Patterns AB. Patterns AB. Now take it fast. The count of number 5. Take it fast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Now take it, students. Take your pencil or eraser. Take it. Okay, children. Are you ready? Are you ready now? Okay. See the first question. See the first question, students. Question number 1. Look at each row and complete the pattern. Look at each row and complete the pattern. Complete the pattern. Okay, children. Complete the pattern. Look at each row and complete the pattern. Okay children, see in A part, circle, sky, circle, sky. What comes next? What comes next pattern? What comes next pattern children? Yes, very good. Circle. This is a circle shape. Circle shape. You have drawn circle. You have drawn circle. Okay. After you show the answer. Okay. See in B part, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. What comes next? What comes next pattern? Students, what comes next pattern children? Yes, the same. Circle, very good. The same answer, circle shape. Okay? See in C part, what comes? Next pattern. What comes next pattern children? What comes next pattern? You tell the answer. Yes, upward. Okay? Upward. Up arrow. Okay? Up arrow. Very good. Very good answer. Okay children? Next D. What comes next pattern? What comes next pattern children? So same answer. Circle. Very good. Circle. Okay? E part, star, circle. What comes next? Last one. End of the part. Pattern. Yes. Star. Star. Very good. Last F part. Pentagon. Sorry. Hexagon. Square. What comes next? Square shape. Okay children. Children. Show the answer. Okay. Show the answer. Circle. Next. Sky. Okay. Next one. Circle. Up arrow. C part up arrow. D part circle. E part star and circle. Star. What comes next? Circle. Okay. Next one. F part. What is last? Yes. Square. Very good. Okay children. Second question. Draw one AB pattern different from the above patterns. Different. Draw. See in second question. Draw one AB pattern different from the above patterns. Different from the above patterns. Okay. Students, see. Look at the slide properly. You have to draw. Look at the slide. You have to draw. Giving the count of number 5. Students, make it fast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Finished? Finished children? Okay. Let's go to the next slide. Worksheet number 31 finished? Are you understood? Okay. Now let's go to the next slide. Okay children. Take next page. Students, take it. Next page. worksheet number 32. Worksheet number 32. The ABC pattern. ABC pattern. ABC pattern. Students, look at the board. The exam. Okay. The ABC pattern. ABC pattern. The ABC pattern. ABC pattern. Children, take one rough note. Draw first flower, ball, and then triangle. Okay, flower is taken A, ball is taken B, triangle is taken C. Very good. This is the AB pattern. Again, flower, ball, triangle. Okay. Again, flower is taken A, ball is taken B, triangle is taken C. Okay. Again and again, flower, ball, and triangle. A, B, C. Okay, children. This is a ABC pattern. ABC pattern. Flower is taken A, ball is taken B, the triangle is taken C. Again, flower is taken A, ball is taken B, triangle is taken C. Okay? Again and again, come to this pattern. Okay, children? This is the ABC pattern. ABC pattern. Are you understood? Are you understood, children? What comes next pattern? What comes next pattern, children? Yes? Very good. Flower, ball, triangle. Very good. Okay? This is the ABC pattern. Are you understood? Okay, children? Now, let's go to the next slide. Okay? The worksheet number 32. Worksheet number 32, patterns ABC. Put here tick against ABC pattern. Put here tick against ABC pattern. You know the patterns ABC pattern? Yes? Okay, children? 3 ABC. A, B, C. Again A, B, C pattern எங்க இருக்கும் அதுல டிக் பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Okay? You understood? எந்தெந்த பார்ட் கரெக்ட்டா இருக்கு against. Put here tick against ABC pattern. means போர்ட்ல உங்களுக்கு நடக்கணும் இல்லையா ABC. அதே மாதிரி இங்க ABC taken, ball is taken A. Next plus symbol is taken B and sky is taken C. Okay, again and again ABC pattern. So tick the box. Okay, children? Are you understood? Okay. Students, see in A part, pencil. First, what is this picture? Pencil, ball. Pencil, ball. So pencil is taken A. Ball is taken B. C, no. Okay? Where is C? No. So this is AB pattern. Okay? This is AB pattern. This is wrong answer. Okay? This is wrong part in A. Okay, children? Are you understood? Okay. Now let's go to the B part. Okay? B part. Ball. Ball. Next. Symbol. Plus symbol. Next sky. Okay? Ball is taken A. Symbol is taken B. Sky is taken C. Okay? This is ABC pattern. Against ball, symbol, and then sky. This is a ABC pattern. A, B A, B, C. Okay. So tick that. Tick that. Tick the box. Tick the box, children. Okay. Now going to C part. Water bottle, pencil, ball. Against water bottle, pencil, ball. So this is AB pattern or ABC pattern? Yes? ABC pattern. Very good. Water bottle is taken A, pencil is taken B, ball is taken as C. Okay? This is the ABC pattern. So tick the box. Tick the part C. Tick that part C. Okay? Are you understood? Okay, children? Are you understood? Question 1. Okay. Now, question number 2. Question number 2. Circle the shapes that are repeating in the pattern below. Again, read the question. Second question, students. Look at the slide properly. Circle the shapes that are repeating in the pattern below. Okay, children? Star, triangle, up arrow. Next, again, star, triangle, up arrow. Okay? Next, star, triangle, up arrow. So, circle the first one. Okay? Circle that. Star, triangle, up arrow. So, circle that. Okay, children? Children? Look at, see. Look at the next slide. Check the answer. Check the answer, students. First, B and C part. So, tick the B and C part. Next, second question. Circle the shapes that are repeating in the pattern below. So, star, triangle, up arrow. Okay? Star, triangle, up arrow. Okay, children? Okay. Circle first. Okay. See. Third question. Draw what comes next. Draw what comes next. Draw what comes next. Children, at the count of number 10. Okay. Sorry, at the count of number 5. You have to draw fast. You have to draw fast. Okay, children? Okay. Are you ready now? Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay? Now finished? Now finished? So worksheet number 32. Worksheet number 32, page number 124. Page number 124. First question finished already. Already first and second question finished. You make it third question. Okay, children? Okay. You are finished? What comes next pattern? Yes. Square. Very good. Square and B, A part. B part, pentagon. Okay, children. Are you understood? This is the ABC pattern. ABC pattern. Are you understood? Okay, children. Now, today we have learned patterns. New patterns. Okay, students. Today we have learned new patterns. A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C. Are you understood? Are you understood, children? Some worksheet finished. Okay, children. Now, today's homework, children. complete worksheet number 32. You have to complete worksheet number 32. Okay, page number 125. This is same patterns ABC. Worksheet number 30. Sorry students. Homework complete worksheet number 32. No. Okay, 33. Homework வந்து 32 கிடையாது, 33 page. Okay children. Draw what comes next. Draw what comes next. Draw what comes next. Okay children, today's homework complete worksheet number 33. Okay va? Sorry children, 32 no. Worksheet number 33. Okay. Thank you children.